Tour fans, we're doing a walking tour today of the Upper West Side. This is for YouTube, and this is a small park. You can come in and look at the plants. It's free, doesn't cost anything. In the middle of Manhattan. West Side Community Garden, this is called. This is the Upper West Side. It's a very wealthy part of New York City. It's just a little park that they have here. Anyone go in, free, no one stop me, doesn't cost any money. Go in and do work, do homework if you want. Dress up your neighborhood. Looks like they've won contests here. So this is the West Side Community Garden. How about that? Come in, read a book if you want. Write a term paper. Enjoy the shade. Sit down, take a weight off your feet. While the plants are listed here and labeled. So exit to get out. This is the West Side Community Garden. It's nice to see things like this where they don't necessarily build on every square foot. They even tell you what's growing there. Really cool looking plants too. You wouldn't expect to see this on West 89th Street in Manhattan, would you? But that's exactly what we're seeing. I love those plants. We used to have all those around the folks' house. Look at these leaves. There's some sort of a Schiffelera family, I believe. I'm not sure. Now we're up on 90th Street, West 90th Street. And we're going to walk around and check this place out. Some police activity there, looks like. These are beautiful tree-lined streets. Very residential area. And here's a little playground for children. Isn't that nice? A little playground on 90th Street, maintained by the city. No pets, that means I can't come in. Water fountain, basketball court. What more could you ask? And little gardens along the path as we walk. As I say, we're walking now toward, probably toward the Hudson River eventually. Look at those apartment buildings. Aren't they beautiful? It's about 90 degrees here today. It's not too bad. And this is West 90th Street in Manhattan. People say, I keep doing polls. You want me to talk or not talk? I guess you can turn the volume up. I know someone commented, don't play any music because I like to hear the street sounds. I'll go for that myself. Music can be annoying. It's nice to hear the sounds of the street. Makes you feel like you're here. We have people from Hong Kong and Singapore and Vietnam and India watching this channel, and some of them may never make it to New York City. Hopefully the ones that want to come here will, but this gives them the flavor of what it's like to be in New York City. Walk around New York City. Amsterdam Avenue. And 90th Street. Rehabbing those apartments. We walk down Amsterdam Avenue, or we can keep walking on the side street. We're gonna walk on the side street for a while more. For one reason, it's shadier, which is nice. These are all apartments, primarily. Some medical offices. Very nice part of Manhattan to live in. Little gardens you see here is a nice touch too. And trees. So you have a tree, and around the base of the tree you have a little garden. That's very nice. Smells. Sadly, I can't give you the smells over the YouTube, but it smells nice here too. It's being brought to you by Gary's Tours in 4K, 60 frames per second. This is how we bring all of our walking tours. We specialize in walking tours of Manhattan and all the hot spots of Manhattan. We have tours of almost every building that's worth looking at in Manhattan. Plus, we also specialize in Ireland and Europe. So if you go to Gary's Tours, my channel, punch up whatever you're looking for, and put in Paris, Ireland, Killarney, Dublin. You'll see lots of stuff. All right, so this is Broadway. Broadway up here is a two-way street. In a few more blocks, it'll turn into a one-way street going south only. Let's see if we can make it across without being killed.